Welcome back to Car Trend, the channel where we bring you the hottest new cars, future SUVs, and the latest automotive technology before they hit the streets. Today, we're diving into one of the most anticipated SUVs of the year, the all-new 2026 Mitsubishi Pajero Sport. And trust me, this SUV is looking more aggressive, more luxurious, and more capable than ever before. The Pajero Sport has always been known as a rugged family SUV with true off-road DNA, but the 2026 model takes everything to a whole new level. Mitsubishi has completely refreshed the design, upgraded the interior with modern tech, and improved performance to compete directly with rivals like the Toyota Fortuner, Ford Everest, and Isuzu MU-X. From the very first look, the new 2026 Pajero Sport makes a strong statement. The front design is sharper and bolder with Mitsubishi's latest dynamic shield styling. The new LED headlights are slimmer and more futuristic, while the redesigned grille gives the SUV a premium and muscular appearance. The front bumper now looks more sculpted and sporty, adding to its commanding road presence. On the sides, the Pajero Sport keeps its tough SUV proportions but adds cleaner body lines and newly designed alloy wheels that make it look more modern and upscale. The rear has also been redesigned with sleeker LED taillights, a sportier tailgate, and a more refined bumper design. Overall, the 2026 model looks less bulky and far more sophisticated than the outgoing version. One of the biggest improvements is inside the cabin. Mitsubishi has finally stepped up the interior quality to make the Pajero Sport feel truly premium. The dashboard has been completely redesigned with a cleaner layout, soft touch materials, ambient lighting, and larger digital displays. Right in front of the driver, there's now a fully digital instrument cluster that gives the SUV a high-tech feel. At the center of the dashboard sits a massive touchscreen infotainment system with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The graphics are smoother, the response is faster, and the interface is far easier to use compared to previous models. Mitsubishi is also expected to include a premium sound system, wireless charging pad, multiple USB-C ports, and connected car technology for smartphone control and remote access. Comfort has also been improved significantly. The seats are expected to offer better cushioning and support for long journeys, while higher trims may include ventilated leather seats, powered adjustments, and memory functions. The second-row passengers get more legroom and improved air conditioning vents, making the SUV much more family-friendly. And yes, the Pajero Sport still remains a practical 7-seater SUV. The third row can now fold flatter to increase cargo space, making it more convenient for road trips and family adventures. Whether you're driving in the city or heading into the mountains, this SUV is designed to handle everything. Now let's talk about performance, because this is where the Pajero Sport continues to shine. Under the hood, the 2026 model is expected to carry an upgraded version of Mitsubishi's proven turbo diesel engine. Reports suggest a more refined 2.4-liter turbo diesel producing improved power and torque while also delivering better fuel efficiency. Mitsubishi may also introduce a mild hybrid version for certain markets, helping reduce emissions and improve fuel economy. The transmission is expected to be smoother and quicker, while suspension tuning has reportedly been improved for a more comfortable ride quality. But don't worry, the Pajero Sport hasn't lost its off-road toughness. In fact, it could become even more capable. Mitsubishi's Super Select 4WD system is expected to return with multiple terrain modes for sand, mud, gravel, and rock driving. Ground clearance remains excellent, and the improved traction control system should help drivers tackle difficult terrain with more confidence. This SUV is built on a ladder frame chassis, which means it still offers the durability and toughness needed for serious off-road adventures. Whether you're crossing rough trails, climbing steep hills, or driving through flooded roads, the new Pajero Sport is designed to handle it all without breaking a sweat. Safety is another area where Mitsubishi is making major improvements. The 2026 Pajero Sport is expected to come loaded with advanced driver assistance systems. Features may include adaptive cruise control, blind spot monitoring, lane departure warning, autonomous emergency braking, rear cross-traffic alert, and a 360-degree camera system. These upgrades are important because modern SUV buyers now expect both capability and safety in one package. Mitsubishi clearly understands that, and the new Pajero Sport seems ready to meet those expectations. Another interesting thing about this SUV is its positioning in the market. The Pajero Sport has always been slightly underrated compared to some of its competitors, but this new generation could completely change that. With its bold styling, upgraded cabin, improved technology, and legendary reliability, the 2026 model might become one of the best value for money SUVs in its segment. Pricing hasn't been officially revealed yet, but experts expect Mitsubishi to keep the Pajero Sport competitively priced. That means buyers could get premium features, serious off-road capability, and family practicality without paying luxury SUV money. And honestly, that's what makes this SUV so exciting. It's not trying to be just another flashy city crossover. The Pajero Sport still stays true to its roots as a real SUV, tough, capable, reliable, and ready for adventure, but now it finally adds the modern comfort and technology buyers have been asking for. For families, travelers, off-road enthusiasts, and SUV lovers, the 2026 Pajero Sport could be one of the smartest choices on the market. It combines rugged durability with premium upgrades in a way that feels balanced and practical. So, what do you think about the new 2026 Mitsubishi Pajero Sport? Do you think it can beat rivals like the Toyota Fortuner and Ford Everest? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss the latest car news and future SUV reveals right here on Car Trend. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.